Top 9 Easy Rice Cooker Recipes. Rice cookers are ideal for busy people, making meal prep easy and stress-free with delicious, straightforward recipes. Miso soup is nourishing and fulfilling. The recipe consists of warm water, miso paste, dashi, tofu, and seaweed. Enjoy a hearty hot pot with beef ribeye, mushrooms, shabu sauce, sticky rice, udon, and napa cabbage. Use a rice cooker for a unique, delicious, money-saving meal. Cilantro lime rice is perfect for Chipotle fans, using few ingredients for a delicious, aromatic side dish. Tangy lime and cilantro enhance its freshness. Mango sticky rice, ideal for busy people, is made using a rice cooker with glutinous rice, coconut milk, mango, and sugar. Try homemade mac and cheese with pasta, chicken broth, cheeses, heavy cream, and spices. Cook pasta in a rice cooker, add ingredients, and enjoy. This soy sauce chicken recipe requires rice, chicken, broth, soy sauce, onions, oils, vinegar, and spices. Use a rice cooker for a quick meal. Cooking dumplings in a rice cooker is easy using just oil and vegetables. Add chili oil or preferred sauces for a quick, hassle-free dinner. Oatmeal is an easy college meal, ready in minutes with minimal effort. Customize it with wholesome ingredients for a warm, satisfying bowl. The rice cooker is optional. Baking a cake in a dorm is simple with boxed mix and a parchment-lined rice cooker, yielding a delicious cake without an oven.